Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the realms of fame and infamy, diving deep into 18 career-altering scandals that shook the entertainment industry, from startling revelations to public meltdowns. These incidents reshaped the trajectories of careers, leaving a lasting impact. Stay tuned as we uncover the scandals that have left indelible marks on some of your favorite stars. Now let's embark on this journey. Adrian Brody, born April 14, 1973 in Woodhaven, Queens, New York, is a versatile American actor known for intense performances. He achieved acclaim winning the 2003 Academy Award for Best Actor in The Pianist, becoming the youngest recipient in that category. Brody's diverse career includes roles in films like The Grand Budapest Hotel and King Kong, demonstrating his genre adaptation. Despite an initial high profile, he opted for a lower public presence, selecting roles more selectively in recent years, possibly driven by a desire for privacy and a measured career approach. Adrian Brody, now 50, maintains a legacy in the film industry, a testament to his talent and commitment. Hilary Swank, born on July 30th, 1974 in Lincoln, Nebraska, is an acclaimed American actress known for her compelling performances, renowned for roles in Boys Don't Cry 1999 and Million Dollar Baby 2004. Earning her Academy Awards for Best Actress, Swank's career blends critical acclaim in projects like Freedom Writers and Conviction. While peaking in the early 2000s, she consciously lowered her public profile, prioritizing personal endeavors and philanthropy. This deliberate shift reflects her commitment to a balanced life. At 49, Swank's legacy in the film industry underscores her dedication to emotionally impactful storytelling, showcasing a career marked by both critical acclaim and a thoughtful approach to her public presence. Jared Leto, born December 26, 1971 in Bossier City, Louisiana, is a versatile American actor, musician, and entrepreneur. Initially known as the frontman for 30 Seconds to Mars, Leto's acting career soared with performances in Requiem for a Dream and Dallas Buyers Club 2013, winning an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. With diverse roles in Fight Club, American Psycho, and as the Joker in Suicide Squad 2016. Leto's career reflects versatility. Despite a recent lower profile focusing on music and the Marvel film Mobius, Leto, now 51, continues to captivate audiences with his unique approach to roles, showcasing creative prowess in both music and acting. Maggie Gyllenhaal, born November 16, 1977 in the Lower East Side, Manhattan, is an accomplished American actress and producer, recognized for roles in Secretary 2002 and Sherry Baby 2006 and The Dark Knight 2008, where she portrayed Raquel Daves. Gyllenhaal's career is marked by diverse performances, including Crazy Heart and The Honorable Woman, earning her a Golden Globe. Despite consistent industry presence, she's taken a lower profile in recent years, prioritizing personal and family life. At 46, Gyllenhaal's legacy in film underscores her commitment to nuanced storytelling. Her selective approach to roles reflects her desire for depth and impact, showcasing versatility and resilience in a dynamic film career. Taylor Kitsch, born on April 8, 1981 in Kelowna, British Columbia. Taylor Kitsch is a Canadian actor and model known for his breakthrough role as Tim Riggins in Friday Night Lights 2006 to 2011. Rising to prominence, he starred in X-Men Origins, Wolverine 2009 and John Carter 2012. Kitsch opted for a lower profile, selecting more discerning roles. Praised for his work in True Detective 2015, Kitsch, now 41, has stepped away from the mainstream spotlight. Nevertheless, his talent and commitment to his craft persist, contributing to a diverse and evolving career. Giovanni Ribisi, born on December 17, 1974 in Los Angeles, in America. Giovanni Ribisi, born on December 17, 1974 in Los Angeles, is an acclaimed American actor recognized for his versatile performances. Notable for roles in Saving Private Ryan 1998 and Boiler Room 2000, he gained widespread fame as Phoebe Buffay's brother, Frank Jr., in the sitcom Friends. Ribisi's career boasts diverse roles in films like Lost in Translation 2003 and Avatar 2009. Despite consistently delivering compelling performances, he has recently opted for a lower profile, selecting more selective projects. This shift suggests a preference for quality over quantity and roles that resonate personally and artistically. At 49, Giovanni Ribisi's enduring body of work reflects his talent and dedication, maintaining a quieter presence in the public eye. Lucas Haas, born on April 16, 1976 in West Hollywood, California, is an American actor and musician. He gained early fame with his notable role in Witness 1985, where he starred alongside Harrison Ford. Haas continued to build a successful career with performances in films like Dead Man Walking and Inception 2010. While Haas's career has been characterized by consistent and commendable performances, he has chosen a lower profile in recent years. Despite contributing to various films and television projects, he has opted for roles with a more understated public presence. These decisions may be attributed to a desire for a more balanced and private life away from the constant scrutiny of the entertainment industry. Currently, Lucas Haas is 47 years old and his legacy in the film industry remains as a talented actor. Juliette Lewis, born June 21, 1973 in Los Angeles, is a versatile American actress and singer, widely recognized for her impactful performance in Martin Scorsese's Cape Fear. Earning her an Academy Award nomination, Lewis continued to captivate audiences in roles like Natural Born Killers 1994 and From Dusk Till Dawn 1996. Known for her edgy portrayals, she navigated a diverse career in both acting and music. Despite consistent industry contributions, Lewis impressed a lower profile, focusing on selective projects, possibly seeking a more balanced life and creatively resonated roles. At 50 years old in 2023, Juliette Lewis' career stands as a testament to her enduring talent and commitment to artistic expressions. Emil Hirsch, born on March 13, 1985 in Topanga, California, is an American actor known for his dynamic performances. He gained fame with his breakthrough role in Into the Wild 2007, earning critical acclaim and a Screen Actor Guild nomination. Hirsch's career featured notable performances in films like Speed Racer 2008 and Milk 2008. While Hirsch's career displayed promise, he took a lower profile in recent years. This shift may be attributed to personal choices and a focus on more independent and less mainstream projects. Despite a quieter public presence, Hirsch has continued to work in both film and television, showcasing his versatility in projects like The Auto Spy of John Doe 2016 and Once Upon a Time in Hollywood 2019. Today, Emily Hirsch is 38 years old and his career, though less publicized, remains marked by his commitment to diverse and challenging roles. Thandie Newton, born November 6, 1972 in Westminster, London, is a British actress renowned for compelling performances, notable for roles in Flirting 1991 and Mission Impossible 2 2000. She earned international acclaim with Crash 2004, securing a BAFTA award. Known for versatility, her career spans The Pursuit of Happiness 2006 and HBO's Westworld. Despite consistent excellence, Newton has impressed a lower profile, focusing on quality over quantity in intimate projects. At 51 in 2023, her legacy reflects talent, intelligence, and a commitment to challenging roles, defining her enduring impact in the entertainment industry. Josh Hartnett, born July 21, 1978 in St. Paul, Minnesota, rose to fame in the late 90s with roles in films like The Faculty 1998 and Halloween H20. 20 years later, 1998, his lead role in Pearl Harbor 2001 brought international stardom. Known for charismatic performances, Hartnett's career blends blockbuster hits Black Hawk Down 2001 and independent films Lucky Number 11 2006. Recently, he opted for a lower Hollywood profile, focusing on independent and international projects, possibly seeking diverse roles and a quieter life. At 45, Hartnett's legacy underscores his versatility and commitment to a varied and evolving film career. Rose Byrne, born on July 24, 1979 in Balmain, Sydney, is an Australian actress known for her versatility and engaging performances. She gained international recognition with her role in Troy 2004 and achieved widespread acclaim for her comedic talents in films like Bridesmaids 2011 and the Neighbours series. Barney's career has been marked by a diverse range of roles, including dramas like Damages 2007 to 2012 and horror comedy Insidious 2010. Despite her consistent success, she has maintained a somewhat lower profile in recent years, choosing projects selectively. This shift may be attributed to a desire for a balanced personal and professional life, as well as a focus on roles that offer complexity and depth. Today, Rose Byrne is 44 years old, and her enduring impact in the entertainment industry showcases her talent and commitment to evolving as an actress. Topher Grace, born July 12, 1978 in New York City, gained fame as Eric Foreman in That 70s Show 1998 to 2006, showcasing comedic prowess. Transitioning to film, his notable roles in Traffic 2000, Spider-Man 3 2007, and Black Klansman 2018 marked a successful career. Despite early prominence, Grace deliberately maintains a lower profile in recent years, prioritizing a private life and selective roles. At 45, he remains recognized for versatility and acting expertise, contributing to projects with fewer high-profile appearances. Grace's enduring legacy reflects our deliberate balance between personal privacy and a commitment to varied and impactful roles in the film industry. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic journey. If you relished recalling these overlooked Hollywood actors, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button, sharing with friends, and subscribing for future content. Share your favorite actors from the list in the comments below. Stay tuned for more captivating insights into the entertainment world. See you in the next video.